Damn, son, look at that front bumper. Look at all these cars, all these whips. But welcome back to the channel. We're here at the dealership getting the parts that we need. So we're pulling up now. We're gonna check out, you know, the Hellcats and everything while we're here, but we still need to order some parts. So we're starting this video off getting all the parts we need so we can get this Hellcat at the shop cranked up and you know, get all the fluids going through it and, you know, get everything good on it. So we're pulling up now. I guess let's go to the parts department and let's get some parts. So let's park the truck. I want one of these.
Yeah, but
dude, I'd be sick if we got one of these.
To rebuild?
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Rebuilding a Gladiator rebuild would go hard.
A Hellcat in it.
Huh?
What do you guys think?
A Hellcat motor?
Hellcat Rubicon build coming. I don't know if I can afford all that, but maybe in the future we'll see. But here's all our parts are about to go in there. There's just some clips and honestly really basic stuff, but we brought everything with us because we need all this little stuff. Dude, go look at the cars.
I know.
The cars are stickier. I'm not gonna lie, before I bought the Hellcat, or after I bought it, but it wasn't here yet, I was up here like sitting in them and like reminiscing.
Getting the feel,
like,
getting the feel.
Like, damn, this is gonna be me pretty soon. But yeah, let's go up here. And we gotta get some fluids too, because, you know, we're running low. There's some that I don't have.
What?
These rims are sick. These are the exact ones I got.
Really? Are you gonna keep them that color?
I see if I did glossy black.
We're at the dealership and he's tearing this thing apart.
You got the wrenches.
We're about to take some parts real quick.
All right, so I'm looking at this thing right now, and this plastic behind thing that goes behind the grill, I think I'm missing all of that. So I got to figure out what part number that is, and I'm gonna take some pictures, and then we're gonna figure out what all we need.
What car do you have, or do you have the state of the VIN?
2016 Hellcat. I don't think I have the VIN on me.
Gallons, so I'd probably have to sell you 3 gallons to get you.
3 gallons? Yeah, that's fine.
What do you got missing?
I got the clip for the radiator, but I need the clip for the power steering cooler.
That's ordered?
Yeah, they don't have it. But then I got all the fluids and everything, so hopefully we can start this thing up.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to start up the Hellcat, boy.
I'm trying to... line, or from here, they kind of hooked it up, I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah.
Over your eBay parts?
Yeah, over the eBay parts that I was buying used. But I couldn't buy the wide body pieces here, that's the thing.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, we might be able to finesse the hood. We'll see about that. Try to get the demon hood.
Yeah, definitely got to get the demon hood.
We got the parts. I didn't get everything. I got to come back tomorrow, but I got a couple parts I didn't even know I needed. But since I was here, I had them look them up, so that's pretty good. We got almost everything we need as of now that I know of. But I guess let's load this shit up, get on the road, and head back to the shop. What up, guys? We are back here at the shop working on the Hellcat. So we are finally able to get this thing running. We have all the parts, and it's time to get to work. So what we were waiting on were these. I was waiting on this clip right here. This is like a clip for the power steering cooler. You'll see what we use this for. And also I was waiting on these 2 little clips. So as a lot of you guys know, if you ever worked on anything, it's the little things that, you know, take the most time. So we finally got the little things, and now we're gonna get this thing back running. So let's get right into it. I got some coolant. I got the radiator brace, or whatever you call this. And also I got this. I'm not sure what this is called, but I needed it. So we got everything, and now let's get to work. Alright guys, so we already came to a standstill. This is the new clip I've been waiting on, so I can put this cooler on. Because to put this cooler on, you gotta pull this radiator off, and they sent me the wrong one. So this is the one I needed, and this is the one they sent me. So this won't fit, it'll mess up the radiator.
Show them the points.
Look how big this is, and it needs to be this big. So I might just fix this one. I could probably glue it together, and it'll probably be fine. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So we'll figure it out. All right, guys, remember when I said the little things hold you up the most? Well, this is what I was talking about. This clip that I super glued, trying to, you know, fix it. It broke. I guess the glue wasn't strong enough or whatever, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get a Dremel and I'm gonna Dremel this down, and then I'm gonna make this end, because this is too long to even fit in here, but I'm gonna try to make this just littler and make it the same as that one. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I've never done this before, but let's give it a shot, see if we can do it. Alright guys, so we got it clipped in, a little bit of fab skills, a little bit of Dremel work, and a little bit of Corona. I got it done. So we're gonna get right back on this and get this thing back together. So hopefully no more problems like that, but here we go. Alright guys, so we got the whole cooling system together. If everything goes smoothly, there should be no leaks, but you know, stuff never goes smoothly. So hopefully we're gonna pray that we fill this thing up with coolant and there's no leaks in the cooling system, but I guess we'll see. So let's fill this thing up with coolant and crank this thing up. Alright guys, so we got the coolant reservoirs both filled up for the whole cooling system and also the supercharger. We're going to leave the caps off so we can let the air bubble out of it, and we put some power steering fluid in it, and we're all topped off, so it's ready to start up and check for leaks. So let's throw the jump box on and crank this thing up. Alright guys, let's start this thing up. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Almost. Alright, this is it. Yeah. Alright, so now let's check for leaks. Alright guys, so we're on the first test drive. I'm not going to get on it because the pulley on here isn't set up for the tune, but it's low on gas. So the gas station we go to is literally right across the street, and also the power steering wasn't working, but now it's working. I assume there's a whole bunch of air in the system, and also we wanted to get it to operating temperature. So we're just idling it up, going to get some gas and making sure everything's good. So super exciting, but I can't get on there, get too fast or anything crazy, but we are gonna go over here and get some gas. So I'll catch you guys there.
Hey, keep going. We should keep going. Let's watch Marcus. Have Marcus watch it real quick. Yo, that front end is looking right. What do you think about that front end, Marcus? What, you breaking the bank right now already? Yo, you about to put your pin in?
Yeah, get out of here. Alright guys, so we have no gas like whatsoever. It's literally on E. So we came across where our shop's at, and we're just gonna put a little bit of gas in there. And then also, like I said, the power steering wasn't working. So I wanted to see if there's air in the system, which there was. It started working a little bit better, but now it's not working. I think I just need to drive it. But there's no leaks. Everything's up to operating temperatures, and we're looking good. Like I said, I'm not like, you know, we're not doing no drag racing. We just idled over here. But let's build this thing up and head back to the shop.
In or what?
Just topped off.
Really? With 30 bucks?
Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited right now. I'm not gonna lie, like my heart's like beating really fast. Like this is all really crazy because I don't know, this has been kind of a long stretch of events. But we're gonna head back to the shop and keep working on this thing because we got a lot more to do tonight. So let's head back there and get back on this thing.
What?
He just had the Jimmy Rig kit, he broke in 2 seconds.
Really?
2 seconds flat.
I was wondering what that guy was doing.
He got his keys locked in his car. Paid him like 60 bucks.
Yeah.
And now he's off.
Hey, boys,
Hey,
I catch you
like,
on
share, subscribe, baby.
I catch you on the screens, you heard?
Hey.
Yo, give this thing a rev real quick.
Yeah. That's what's in. Alright, let's roll out. Alright guys, so the test drive went great. Like I said, I didn't get on it. The only problem is the power steering isn't working, but I think it's because there's air in the system and I need to bleed it. I need to look up how to do that, but I'm gonna scan this code because there is an engine light on, and I'm gonna figure out what's going on with it. My guess is it's because the supercharger has air in it, and I heard that you have to purge the system there's a little bleeder screw and you gotta purge it like, I don't know, 10 times before that goes away. That's what my guess is, but we're about to find out real quick. Alright guys, so I didn't clear those codes because they came back on once I cleared them because the battery is pretty much all the way dead because we're using a jump box. So I'm not going to worry about that, but the good thing is we have no leaks. All the cooling system is good. So now we're going to start assembling this front end, put the crash bar on, and throw the bumper on. So let's start putting this together and get this thing, you know, back together. So here we go. Yo, I was so excited I didn't even test out the stereo. So we're about to crank this thing up, see how this thing sounds. See how them subs in the back beat down. Damn, son, look at that front bumper. It's all mocked up. The front bumper's just clipped on, but it's not gonna fall off or anything, and it's looking pretty insane, I'm not gonna lie. We got the whole, whatever all that stuff is, I don't even know what to call it, but it's all on there. It's all bolted in, and this whole front end is together. So, yeah, I mean, pretty crazy. I'm pretty excited, and now, I guess, I don't know. I don't even know what we're gonna do. I guess we're gonna start mocking up the wide body next episode, but yeah, it's looking pretty insane, and that's gonna be a wrap for this video. It's pretty late right now. It's like 11, 12 o'clock, and time to go home. So it's a successful night. It's looking great, and I guess I'll catch you guys next video. I'm not sure what it's gonna be on, but I guess you guys just gotta wait and see. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace.